Hey, hi. Today we're going to see how you can use Cryptoguru, which is a trading simulator, and I've installed this app here. Okay, we're going to see how it works, and also we're going to see can you withdraw this money that reflects here, or this is not actually real money. Now, after installing the app, they have a lobby here icon. There's trading. You can kind of trade in different currencies here. Okay. Under trading, there's a portfolio, there's traders, there is orders, and all that stuff. There is tournament. You can actually be involved in tournaments. Profile if you want to add something. And the more you add some money, the more you giving the more classes that you go. So I'm a fourth class trader. So the more, if I make it to 10,000, I think I become something else. Okay. So basically, this is how the app looks. All right. And most of the times you'll be using the trading icon to do whatever trading that you want. There's some ads. Let me try to. Okay. So I can try to buy that. Okay. Usually when you're doing all this, you're using the virtual okay, let me just put something. You're using the virtual, okay, you bought Bitcoin, okay, cross. You're using the virtual money that they gave you. So I'm not really using real money. That's why actually you have to understand that you can't really win real money in this app because it's just kind of a trading app, okay? Sorry, it's more of a simulator app. Simulation means it's not real, you are training, okay? And when you read about this app policies, they say the app is intended for other users. There's no option to trade with real money or win real cash or gifts. So whatever you're going to win is not real, okay? Your winnings or barrels cannot be exchanged for real money. So please kindly know that this is more of an app to help you train on how to trade. And when you look at some of the comments, people are saying like I've gained a deep understanding of crypto thanks to the intuitive lessons and real-time insights. It's more than a platform. It's where I've mastered the fundamentals of digital assets and smart investing. So this is a training app. You should not really think that you're going to be paid. That's why actually I'm seeing someone saying this is likely a scam. So it's not a scam because you're not going to be asked to put any money, and also you're not going to be able to lose your money. In fact, they have already told you that. So it's just that people don't really do a simple reading about these apps. But the moment you see a simulator means this is not real. It's more of you're going to learn how things work, but you're going to train with virtual money and you're not going to make any real money. So that's what I can say about Cryptoguru, but it's a good app to train to learn how to trade, how crypto works online. Okay, if you kind of a person who is into who wants to really learn how to do crypto, I think you should really try out this. But if you're trying to make real money, this is not an app you're going to do crypto and make real money. Okay, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in videos like this that do app reviews. Okay, see you and bye bye.